Today we got a Toyota Prius multifunction display. Common issues with these is either you have power loss altogether, loss of touch on the unit, and if you have like an orange amber effect, we call it the sunburst issue. We fix all three of those issues. So if you have power loss, touch stops working in certain parts of the screen, or the whole touch display stops working altogether, or you have what's called the sunburst effect where it's just super yellow. We fix all kinds of issues. Basically, I'm going to show you what this one looks like. You have the Toyota logo pops up, and we should be able to access the menu, but as you can see, it cuts off right away. This multifunction display itself has board issues, which is basically causing power loss. So you can't access any menus, touch, etc. And we highly recommend, basically on this unit, to send your original, because if you try to buy a used one, they may suffer from the same problems as what you're currently experiencing on yours. So there's no guarantee that buying a replacement is going to help. Buying a refurbished unit would cost you easily anywhere from $400 to $600, and basically a new one from the dealership would cost you $3,500. These are ridiculously expensive from a dealership. The price that we offer the repair for is just a win-win, and it makes sense to send your original unit to us, and we'll do a diagnostics, pre-test, make sure all these bottom displays work, the clock, the hazard light is illuminating, the side buttons are responding, touch, and that basically will restore any kind of power issues that you're having with it. And it comes with a 90-day warranty. Don't recycle your original one, send it into repair for us. You know, you want to be eco-friendly and not just dispose your old one. If you have any kind of issues, we should be able to fix it. It should be plug and play. There's no additional programming or coding required on this unit. When you're packaging it and sending it to us, you want to make sure that you enclose it in a much bigger box, because this unit can be quite heavy and the plastic can be quite fragile and brittle. You can visit our website and check out online, upfix.com. Select all the issues that you're having, so that when we as techs get it, we'll see what's going on with it. Follow us on YouTube, our Upfix channel, Instagram, Facebook.